In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 AI tools for side hustles in 2025 that actually work. These are tools real entrepreneurs, freelancers, and creators are using right now to make money online. Tools that can help you start a profitable side hustle, scale your existing business, or even replace your full-time income if you put in the work. Let's jump in. Tool number 1, Notion AI, your all-in-one AI business brain. If you're serious about starting or scaling a side hustle in 2025, you need one thing above all: organization. And that's exactly where Notion AI comes in. Notion started as a simple note-taking app, but over the last few years, it's transformed into a complete AI-powered productivity hub that's perfect for side hustlers. Here's what it can do. Plan your social media content calendar for weeks or months in advance. Draft blog posts, sales emails, YouTube scripts, or even entire ebooks. Brainstorm digital product ideas that are in demand and profitable. Outline and manage marketing campaigns from start to finish. Keep all your projects, research, and ideas in one central space. Light bulb example. Let's say you're starting a fitness coaching side hustle. You could simply type, plan a 1-month TikTok content calendar for beginner fitness enthusiasts. And in seconds, Notion AI will generate a structured daily posting plan. It might even suggest content themes for each day, trending hashtags, attention-grabbing captions, engagement prompts to increase interaction. All you have to do is review, tweak, and publish. Tool number 2, Canva Magic Studio. Instant AI design for your brand. If content is king, then design is a crown. And in 2025, the competition for online attention is fierce. Your brand needs visuals that stop the scroll. That's where Canva Magic Studio comes in. Canva has always been the go-to design tool for non-designers. But the Magic Studio upgrade adds powerful AI features that let you create professional designs in seconds. No Photoshop skills required. Here's what you can create with a single prompt: logos, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram carousels, Facebook ads, product packaging, print-on-demand t-shirt designs, even short AI-generated social media videos. For example, if you type, create a luxury skincare product label in gold and white, Canva Magic Studio will instantly give you multiple high-quality design options. From there, you can customize the fonts, colors, and layout to match your brand. If you sell on Etsy, Amazon KDP, Redbubble, or even run an Instagram shop, this is a game changer. Because professional branding equals higher perceived value equals more sales. And because Canva is template-based, you can easily repurpose a design for multiple platforms. Turn a product flyer into an Instagram story. Convert a YouTube thumbnail into a Facebook ad. Transform a blog graphic into a Pinterest pin. Tool number 3. HeyGen, create videos without being on camera. Here's the truth. Video content is dominating every platform in 2025, from YouTube to TikTok to LinkedIn. But not everyone wants to show their face on camera. Enter HeyGen, an AI-powered video generator that lets you create professional videos using realistic AI avatars. With HeyGen, you can choose from dozens of AI presenters, different ethnicities, styles, and personalities. Type your script and get a finished video in minutes. Add AI dubbing to instantly translate and lip sync in multiple languages. Clone your own voice or use one of the professional AI voices. For example, a freelancer on Fiverr could offer AI avatar explainer videos for small businesses. These videos might promote a product, explain a service, or share an educational tip. Freelancers are charging anywhere from $50 to $200 per video. And with HeyGen, you can deliver the final product in under a day. For course creators, social media marketers, and e-commerce sellers, HeyGen opens a door to consistent, high-quality video output, which is exactly what drives visibility and sales in 2025. Tool number 4, Jasper AI, high-converting AI copywriting. We've all heard the phrase, content is king. But in 2025, AI copywriting is a kingmaker, and Jasper AI is one of the most powerful tools in this space. Jasper AI helps you write SEO-optimized blog posts, high-converting ad copy for Facebook, Instagram, Google, and TikTok, email marketing sequences that actually get opened and clicked, persuasive sales pages and landing pages, engaging social media captions tailored to your brand voice. For example, you're launching a digital course on productivity. You tell Jasper, write a persuasive landing page for a productivity course aimed at busy professionals, focusing on time-saving benefits and including a limited-time offer. And Jasper generates a fully structured sales page with headlines, bullet points, testimonials, and a call to action. It's like hiring a copywriter who never sleeps, never charges by the hour, and never runs out of ideas. Tool number 5, Descript. If your side hustle involves video or audio, YouTube videos, podcasts, online courses, Descript will completely change your workflow. Here's why. It transcribes your video/audio automatically. You can edit the content by editing the text transcript. Yes, like a Google Doc. Remove filler words like and instantly. Use AI voice cloning to fix mistakes without re-recording. Remove background noise with one click. Automatically generate captions for accessibility and SEO. For example, you record a 20-minute YouTube video and realize you mispronounced the tool's name. Instead of setting up your camera again, you simply type the correct word in the transcript, and Descript updates the video and audio automatically. For podcasters, it's just as powerful. Record, edit, and publish in one platform without switching between multiple apps. The real power is combining these AI tools. Each of these tools is amazing on its own, but the real magic happens when you combine them into a complete AI-powered workflow. Number 1, plan your strategy and schedule in Notion AI. Number 2, write your copy, captions, and scripts with Jasper AI. Number 3, design your visuals and branding in Canva Magic Studio. Number 4, produce videos with HeyGen. Number 5, edit and polish with Descript. This means you can run an entire online business solo, without a huge budget, without a big team, and without years of trial and error. And the best part? You can do it all faster, cheaper, and more efficiently than most traditional businesses. Quick question for you. Which of these AI tools would you try first for your side hustle in 2025? Comment below. If you're finding this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. It helps the channel reach more people. If you've been waiting for the perfect time to start your side hustle, this is it. The people who learn and master these AI tools now will be miles ahead in the next 2 to 3 years. AI isn't replacing side hustles. It's supercharging them. So pick one of these tools, start experimenting, and take the first step toward building your own AI-powered income stream. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next video on AI business ideas and automation strategies for 2025. Thanks for watching. Now go turn these tools into profit.